costs a thing, but it never free. All this energy between you and me. Now she wanna ride, now she wanna love. Ripping on that head when we kiss and touch.
Hey fam, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing another review by the name of, yeah bro, I'm just going to leave that on the screen. So I've seen this company around YouTube lately, and to me, they definitely have some really good hair, but I will be showing you all. And so we're going to be doing 4 bundles and a closure. This is going to be a 4x4 closure, but we're going to make this closure look like a frontal. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to start off with your BW2 bleach, a 30 developer. If you are brand new at this, I would definitely recommend you start at a 20 developer. But if you aren't, then yes, 30 is going to be good. So you just want to brush the hair back, and you don't want to have any small pieces like flyaways, because you're definitely going to have to pluck those out if bleach get into it. So then you're just going to want to spread the bleach, and you're going to also want to make sure that it's a thick consistency. Sometimes I like to do it a thin consistency, but I definitely realized that it makes the knots makes the whole closure like more brassy. So I always stick to a thick consistency unless I'm running low on my bleach or developer. So you want to leave it on like that for about 15 minutes, and afterwards you want to wash it off. You definitely next want to usually I'll wash it with like shampoo, and then I'll put on the purple shimmer lights, but you can actually just go into washing it with the shimmer lights. And so after that, you want to give it a good wash, and then that's when I go in with the AUSSIE shampoo, and I just make sure I go through just to get the bleach off. But water does cancel bleach. I don't care what they say. And fight me in the comments if you want to. But yes, water does cancel bleach. So next you want to go ahead and use the purple shimmer lights, and then that is it. You want to let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then after that you want to come back and you want to rinse it. And so I actually like this closure. I'm going to be getting some 5x5, 6x6 closures. Well, I already have 5x5s on me on my store, but I'm going to be getting some 6x6 and 7x7 closures from my store. So I'm definitely going to do a review about that and feature my own hair pretty soon. Lord, I can't talk. And so after you give it a good rinse, this is actually what you're going to be going for. Sometimes you might go ahead, you might still see the black dots, but you want to give off the illusion of looking like scalp. And so this is so beautiful. This is exactly what we want. We don't have any brassiness. We don't have any over bleached knots. So you definitely want it to look like this. And so here is the plucking. This is the difference if you have a plucked and if you don't have a plucked. Of course, the plucked side is the left. No, I'm lying. The plucked side is the right, and the unplugged side is the left. And so here is the wig all made out. And can y'all believe this was my first time actually making a closure wig? I was so surprised at myself. Let me tell you, anything that you put your mind to, sis, you can do it. So yes, this is actually my first time. And yeah, I definitely have like a cone head because the way that my hair is braided. But I was so surprised. But this is the look that you want to get when you have a closure wig. Now, I've actually stayed away from closures because I don't like this look at all. And this is the look that I was seeing everybody going with. This is not what you want. And so the most person that I actually seen look like that is Nicki Minaj. And I was just like, oh my gosh, no, I can't. And I would definitely insert a photo showing you all what I'm talking about. But you all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Looking like like my lashes is just too long. There's no way that hair can just come in front of me. It's just, no. Anyways. But yeah, so my lashes be too long. That's why I can't have hair in my face, because hair be flattening my eyelashes and have me looking crazy. So I just be like, no. So once I've seen all the methods on how to make your clothes look like a frontal, I was just like, yes, girl, I'm about to try this. And actually, I thought frontals were my favorite, but closures are my definite favorite. Especially with the type of wigs that I make, you can slap it on without an elastic band, because I always make my wigs to my head size. So I can slap it down and I'm done. Like, that's it. And so I did cut out some of the black parts on the side, you can see, because my band was just too thick. This is actually like the band on the wig. I actually switched my head caps. And so, yeah, it was just like too thick and I felt like it was showing. So I actually cut into it, as you can see on the right side. But you know what? We're going to cover it up. It's okay. And so here I am not wearing any stocking caps. No stocking caps, no podcast method, like nothing. That is one thing I love taking pride in when I do my wigs for my customers. I make sure that you do not have to wear none of that because I want to make these wigs easy for beginners. So the only thing you want to do is you want to pull out these baby hairs and you want to create some. And then you want to leave your scarf on for about, 10 minutes so it could be like plastered onto your forehead. No, I'm playing. You want to definitely make sure you want to go through and lift up the baby hairs that you've applied. So next you want to use this carrot care wax stick, and you also want to use a hot comb. I would definitely leave the links for those down below. The hot comb is very, very cheap, and it definitely gets hot. And so those are the only things that you have to do in order to make your closure look like a frontal. This hair is good hair. Like, there is not a lot of split ends. It is like, it comes in this natural color already. I definitely love this hair company, so make sure you check them out. And this is the final results. Make sure you let me know how you feel about this down in the comments. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. And I will catch you guys on
just fine. You know what I need, I know what you need. What's a plan B when it's guaranteed? Love don't cost a thing, but it never free. All this energy between you